Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sour hard candy at home. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. You'll also need a candy thermometer, citric acid for sourness, your favorite flavoring, and optional food coloring. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, combine the sugar, water, and corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir this mixture over medium-high heat until the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking until the mixture reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius. This precise temperature is crucial for hard candy. Once the syrup reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat right away. This is the moment to add your flavoring and food coloring. Stir them in carefully but quickly. Then, for that signature sour kick, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of citric acid. Be cautious, as the mixture will be extremely hot and can bubble up when ingredients are added. Finally, carefully pour the hot candy mixture onto a greased baking sheet or a silicone mat. Let it cool undisturbed for at least 30 minutes, or until it's completely hardened. Once firm, you can break the candy into small, irregular pieces. Store your delicious sour hard candy in an airtight container to prevent stickiness and enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.